I took Raj's workshop. I liked one of the components that early on that I started learning was it hit different because it was not a structured training. It was on the fly. We were breaking down each and every sequence that we were trying to learn, from pre-open to what the preconditions should be, which we often miss out in a game. And we directly want to go into approaches wherein there are certain openers or certain preconditions we try to see and observe sets. But here, what to observe, whom to observe, what match the timing, and things like that. Several nuances that we had to see early on to reduce the number of rejections early on without even trying. So that was something which it was more of a natural pickup, which I could say kind of as a wording. And the other was what I liked most about this training was uh, I'll continue to learn more, and as I learn, I will be updating all of that also in the subsequent workshops. But what I learned, the most highlight for me was there were certain things like training your eye to observe certain things, but in your natural environment you don't really do it unless somebody tells you to. And that the same is also true when you're trying to observe people, observe what you need to reach out or compliment somebody on. Trying to learn a bunch of openings and having poor delivery, it's far better to observe something which is unique and the other person can be more receptive.
One thing I wanted to ask, you already went through many of the programs, you are most invested, most depth guy. So what difference do you find going through all those things?
So many of
the first day we talk about the interpretation, because the major problem with is यार ये सब तो पता है, ये सब तो मुझे पता ही है, इसमें नया क्या है? So
the biggest challenge was that I probably know 20 steps ahead of what has been taught here even today, but I don't know the step 1 and 2 or probably step 0 also, and that's why there's no way for me to deliver step 20 and beyond. So even though I know everything, but I am still it is not matching my current reality. So that's a big frustration when you see that you know everything by head, but you can't really reach there. And second thing would be that somebody tells you to do certain actions and you see other people also being able to deliver it and land it very easily, but you don't know the breakdown of it. Even if they tell you the breakdown of it, every breakdown of every situation is so different from the other. You keep your mind around, okay, why did I reach out to this set? Okay, why did I do that? Okay, she was standing straight, she was open, she was neutral. But it's very different because every set is different. So what do I observe? By the time I have to observe, the person has already opened it and with me. And by the time the person has opened it, the girls have already interacted, warmed up, and they've gone so ahead. Now I'm like a lackey just hovering around as the friend. And by the time I take center stage, she's already with the other guy and fixed. I'm just a part of the group. So probably understanding and observing right now early on, getting my fundamental set is what it will be my major takeaway here.
And just keep on coming, and I hope we see you in the next upcoming boot camps more and more.